Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify smart EV charger schedule conflicts with Home Assistant, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify smart EV charger schedule conflicts with Home Assistant, begin by logging into your Home Assistant dashboard. Navigate to the sidebar and click on Configuration. From the Configuration menu, select Automations. Here, identify any automations related to your EV charger. To check for conflicts, click on each automation one by one. Review the trigger settings for each automation. Look specifically for time-based triggers that may overlap with your EV charger's schedule. Next, examine the conditions applied to these automations. Conditions can restrict when an automation will run, impacting your charger's operation. Make note of any time conditions that coincide with your EV charger schedule. If you find overlapping time frames, consider adjusting the automation settings. After reviewing all relevant automations, move on to the integration section. Find the specific integration for your smart EV charger. Click on it to access detailed settings and capabilities. Verify the charger's schedule within the integration settings. Take special note of the scheduled charging times. Compare these times with the automations you reviewed earlier. If there are any conflicts, adjust the automations or the charger settings accordingly. Return to the main dashboard to test changes made. Manually trigger the automation to ensure everything functions correctly. Observe the response of the EV charger in real time. Continue to monitor for a couple of cycles to ensure there are no further schedule conflicts. If issues persist, revisit the automations and integrations for further adjustments. Document any changes made for future reference. Regularly check for updates in both Home Assistant and your smart EV charger firmware. This helps prevent any potential conflicts arising from new features or changes. With these steps, you will efficiently verify and resolve any schedule conflicts for your smart EV charger within Home Assistant. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.